Hello guys, what's going on? Today I'm about to harvest some of the vegetables that I'm growing in my backyard. So here it goes. First of all, this is a determinate type of tomato. It's the Patio Tomato and it's from Uncle Matt. And this is a determinate kind. Like it grows to a certain height, like two feet or 3 feet, and then it gives flower at one time, and then it gives a lot of tomatoes, and then that plant die. So here I'm about to take out. These are I think like 2 ounces of tomato. Not very big, but for the plant, it's okay. This is a little bit green right now, but I think as I put on my countertop, it's going to turn into red. I got some more of these tomatoes growing over here, as you can see, but these are all green at the moment, so not a good time to harvest. I would generally take out tomatoes once they ripe on the vine. Over here, this is another type of tomato which it's called the early girl, and I'm about to harvest this. This has ripe on the vine, so I hope this is going to be a very sweet tomato. Not a very super sized tomato, but it's okay for the planted size that I have. Here are some of my yellow pear tomatoes. You can see there are like so many bunches over here, and it's also flowering right now. It is almost like 5 feet or 6 feet tall tomato plant, but these tomatoes right now, they are green, so I'm gonna keep them over here, and I'm gonna harvest when they become yellow. Here is another plant of yellow pear tomato. They are on the bunches, you can see 2 of them have ripe, so I'm just gonna take out these, and there's one more over here. These are not very big tomatoes, but they taste very nice and they look very cute. Here are some more of my tomatoes are growing over here. They are pretty big sized tomatoes. I'm not sure what kind of tomato is this. As these tomatoes will ripe, then we will know. Some more over here. This is the yellow pear. This is my eggplant. It is loaded with eggplants at the moment, as you can see, but I think they can become a lot bigger. Probably I'm going to leave them for a few days and then harvest them after a couple of days. This is another yellow pear tomato plant, also pretty big, and it has so many bunches, you can see, and it's just flowering. It has only a few tomatoes that are ready, so I'm gonna take these out. This is another tomato plant that I have. It's not that big, but it has only 1 tomato. It's pretty big in size, but I'm gonna let me take it out. Let me use shoe. Pretty big size. Thank you very much for watching. As you guys know, I have already on these cinder blocks I have these garden beans growing all the way. Some of the plants have died, but this is all the harvest that I get. A lot of these garden beans and some of these tomatoes. So I'm going to show you how these look like from the inside. Thank you very much for watching.